Mr. Chairman, can we fit in our get-together the same day then, since we've already booked out that 9 to 5? Maybe we could have our get-together as an extended lunch, make it a 2-hour lunch so we can discuss as together and then have the workshop
we'll
after.
We'll go 9 to 12 for the SPO interviews. We'll go lunch from 12 till 2, and we'll have the councillors get together as well as lunch, 12 till 2, and 2 till whatever to do your flood.
2 to 3.
Is that okay? All set? All good? Councillor?
I'd just like to go back to Councillor Downard's comments, and I would really support Councillor Downard's comments and Anna Kirk regarding Councillor Henderson's attendance at council meetings, and I do think that that's his first priority as opposed to going on training courses. So I support your comments, Councillor Downard.
So minuted. Anything further? Okay, so that agenda item is... Does it have a resolution?
Some resolutions on the rear, Your Worship.
The suggested resolutions on page 15 bar 1, remembering Councillor Henderson has withdrawn from number 2 there, Roman numerals number 2. Number 3 is
number 1.
Oh, no, sorry, no, Roman numerals number 1, sorry. Number 2 is taken away. Number 3 is Local Government New Zealand Annual Conference at Queenstown, retrospective for Councillor Nicola Williams, who went down and took my place because I was supposed to move my mother into her retirement village, and I organised Councillor Williams to go. 2 days later they told me they were moving my mother a week after that. And that mighty river power. So that suggested resolution, and move it, please.
Can we just have a bit of clarification, Your Worship, because I noticed in the Taupo Times it mentioned 3 delegates, and
Councillor
now
Williams
saying there's only 2 delegates. Is that
the facts are Councillor Downard went as approved by a thing. I was supposed, as you all,
yeah.
I was supposed to go. I had to withdraw, so I sent Nicola Williams in my place. Councillor Minster travelled down at his own expense and took part in some debating or in a what do you call it? Gave a presentation and travelled at his own expense.
Yeah, that's fine, Your Worship.
So
I forgot this.
Yeah, the CEO, that was the third delegate.
Yeah.
Also,
CEO always goes. Yeah.
So virtually 2 councillors and the CEO were the only delegates.
Just the newspaper report said there was 3, so it probably included.
Yeah,
which newspaper was that in?
Taupo Times.
I don't read it. I'm sick of reading it. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, no, that's okay. That's clarification. So did I get a mover and second for that resolution? On 15 bar 1, I did Downard, Councillor Downard, Councillor Truman, all in favour, aye.
Aye.
Number 16 is members' reports, and I'll start round the table with Councillor Johnson. He can tell us all about being in Bali.
It was very hot.
That's what the paper said.
Nothing to report. I was in Bali.
Councillor Minster.
As in the Turangi minutes, I went down to the meeting at Turangi, especially the workshop about the pool as well, which we've heard a lot about. So that was, to be honest, it was great to go to, and rather than having minutes, getting the mood of the room was a real advantage. So I was really pleased to be there. They thanked me, so it was nice. Also, it is really, I was there, I was council. It was EDANS, was followed on from the conference Mike was on, was to do with business development. I think Will's got something later on a bit about things. But one of the most interesting things was there's different workshops, and the people that have done business in China for like 20, 30 years, you cannot have a stronger relationship with China than your sister city, Mir to Mir. So we are very fortunate we are on that list, and that was spoken about time and time again, that unfortunately, or fortunately, China is part of where we need to be looking, and we do have that relationship. So congratulate the staff, whoever put that in place.
Councillor Downard?
Yeah, as you're aware, I went down with Councillor Williams to the local government conference in Queenstown, so I haven't been able to catch up with Nicola because she's been sick, and then she's actually going away on holiday from the 1st to the 18th, same as Rick, must be going on the same holiday.
Be a bloody big cruise ship.
So I'd like to be given the chance when she comes back to do a written report and present it at the next council meeting, if that's possible, because it's a short time frame between now and then. I have got a lot of information and a lot of stuff that I do want to put down on paper rather than do it just verbally.
Yep, that's fine. Councillor Kipper.
Nothing to report.
Councillor Fuman.
We had Minister Tariana Turia come to Mangakino just to present about whānau ora and how families can be supported to take part in the initiative. And we also having Minister Joe Goodhue come to Mangakino in relation to the community-led development, and that's on Monday.
And I want to know, how's your baby?
It's all right. Yeah.
Getting better?
Yeah. He's still on oxygen, still getting tube fed, but yeah, he's all right.
Really?
Yeah. Be a long time, I think.
Fingers crossed.
Mm.
Councillor Hickling.
Yeah, at the beginning of the month I attended the Regional Transport Committee in Hamilton, and I also went to the Navy Band concert, which again was just fantastic.
Okay, so somebody move that those members' reports be received. Councillor Downer, secondly Councillor Minster, all those in favour say aye.
Aye.
I now need someone to move that the public be excluded. Moved Councillor Johnson, secondly Councillor Kepper, all those in favour.
Aye.
Turn the webcam off please, Leola. And we've only been going just